Found a ver file alongside software installations and curious what's inside? These are simple text files containing version information for various software packages. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to view and use these software version files effectively. We'll start with the common fixes, but keep this in mind. I have a specialized VER tool that functions as a deep-level recovery option. That's Plan B. A user encountering a VER file is likely trying to identify the version of an associated software package. These files are typically plain text and contain simple strings detailing the application's build number, release date, or component versions, helping with updates, debugging, or ensuring software compatibility. The VER file is intentionally designed as a simple ASCII text file for maximum portability and human readability. Its key value pair or plain string structure avoids complex parsing, allowing developers and system administrators to quickly check software versions without specialized tools, making it ideal for build scripts and installers. If VER has multiple compatible apps, begin with software. The operating system provides little information on the file's internal components. Windows is fully capable of handling text files without specialized software. To resolve this, right-click your VER file and choose Open With. Pick an app that fits the file's category. Software is a general bucket, then test other options until it opens. If the VER file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. If you've reached this stage, the problem is deep. We are going to perform 3 quick tests targeting the most common failure points. First, opening in a text editor. VER files are plain text in most cases, so open them with Notepad++ text edit or any text editor. The contents display the version number, build date, and any included notes. This is the standard method for accessing VER files across all platforms without needing specialized software. Next, comparing versions. Use VER files to verify software versions before applying updates or troubleshooting compatibility issues. Compare the VER file contents with the latest release information on the software vendor's website. Tools like WinMerge or diff can compare VER files between installations to identify version differences. Finally, identifying software origin. If a VER file is found without context, examine the surrounding files and folder structure to identify the parent software. The VER file content often includes the product name, making identification straightforward. File metadata and creation dates also help correlate the VER file with specific software installations on your system. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. To help resolve this, you might consider a tool with autonomous file reading capability that is designed to look past the extension name and inspect the internal data structure directly. Takeaway: the inability of Windows and 7-zip to open the file suggests a unique format signature. FileMagick is the comprehensive solution built to handle these exceptions. Find it at FileMagick. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.